Hello guys, welcome to Guide Guru. Today we are having this question: I is equal to integration x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, so for this we will apply this formula which is given by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, so we are going to apply this formula in the denominator which is given by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay, after this, we can take 1 by 2 outside, then we left with x upon cos square x by 2 dx. Now 1 upon cos square can be written as sec square x by 2. Okay. Now since this is a algebraic term and this is your trigo term, according to Liet method, algebraic come first and trigo comes afterwards. So you can take this as u and this as v. So we are having u into v rule here, that is integration by parts. So we will apply the integration by parts formula, which is u that is x into integration of v, which is sec square x by 2 dx, minus integration derivative of u, which is x, again the integration of v will be repeated, dx, close this bracket, and then dx. Okay, now 1 by 2 will be applied to both of this, so we can draw this curly bracket. Okay, after this, integration of sec square will be nothing but tan. Okay, integration of sec square is tan, and the angle will remain the same. Since we have the coefficient of x is 1 by 2, so we will divide this by 1 by 2, minus again integration derivative of x is 1, and the integration of sec square x is again tan x by 2. Again this will be divided by 1 by 2. Okay, and dx. Correct. Okay, now what we can do, we can take this half. Okay, we can take this half and this half outside, and with this half it will get cancelled. Okay, so overall this whole term will get cancelled. Understood? So we can move on to next page and let's see what we get. I is equal to, then we will left with x. We can check it here, x into tan x by 2, x into tan x by 2, minus, then we are left with integration 1 into tan x, integration 1 into tan x by 2 dx. Okay, so this will remain as it is now. Okay, and 1 into tan is nothing but tan, and the integration of tan x is nothing but log of sec x by 2. Okay, now if you check it here, again we are integrating where the coefficient of x is 1 by 2, so this whole term will be divided by 1 by 2, and this will be plus c over here. So the final answer would be x tan x by 2. This 1 by 2 will become 2 log mod sec x by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is your answer. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.